Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is my flip through for December 2019 for December Documented. So this album is all about December 2019. So this is my cover sheet that you are seeing right here. And all of these, I will tell you, every last one of these does have a process video on my channel. Just check the December document link that is down below and you will see all of these. So this is done by HipKit and it is a Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file cut file that says December. This is the Tis the Season Christmas leggings. This one was done in Christmas in July. And this is also a Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop cut file. And then I made this photo on paper so that I could cut it that big. And then this here, you guys seen this past December. This is when my husband got his RFA done and he actually was smiling. And again, this is Confessions cut file. The collections are either HipKit or Pink Fresh Studio, one of the two. This one was done in Christmas in July, and I got super inspired from one of Paige Evans' collections or layouts that she did, and I absolutely love this. And then this came from one of my subscribers, or one of my, no, it was one of my ladies that won one of my giveaways in my group. And that's her doily, and I wanted to use it on there. And then this is all about the mugs that I get. This one I purchased. This one was from one of my students last year from my first class. This one was done this time frame, and it's all about Niklaus. This one is all about Santa Claus, and I did have her write what she wanted, her wish list from Santa. And then this is all about, oh, Christmas tree. Both my counterpart and I dressed up like Christmas trees. And then we had a hot cocoa bar at school, so these two pages were related together. That's why I put them like that. And then this was the Christmas concert that I just finished here in January. This is Noel, and this one I finished at the end of December. I love this one. It's super gorgeous. These two collections are close to my heart, and this one they're still available if you are interested in getting them. And this is when my son came home last year. And then, of course, they love taking selfies. These two pages go together. This is of Sparkles, all of the adventures. I take her favorite. I let her pick the 3 favorites. And then I always scrapbook, which is this layout here. I always scrapbook about the leggings and stuff that Sparkles does for our tradition. And then this is all about Daddy's cookies. I did some cutting and all of that stuff out. Super inspired by this one. Sorry, it was a little bit out of camera there. Sorry about that. And then this one is all about shaker pockets and goodness. Just they shake, and yeah, all about the cookies the night before. And this is the tradition, the holiday tradition. We always get the same leggings. She gets the full getup, and then my son and my husband and I just get the leggings, the bottoms. And then this is, oh, Christmas tree. Super gorgeous. I added in between there of the opens. I did some stitching. I just love this one. This one's super gorgeous. And then this one is of Santa's foot and then my daughter's foot. I always take a picture of that. That's kind of become a tradition. And then OU was able to go to the finals, and I took a picture of the description of the this was what I printed out, the summary, and then these are the tickets itself, and then there's that while we were there. And then obviously I discussed about how I went. This is a collection from Close to My Heart as well, and this is still available too if you're interested. And this is while we were driving, and then I discussed a little bit about it. And then this is at the game. This was tailgating. These were some of the pictures at the game, and then that was right before. And then this one I just finished, and it's all about the cozy food of eating at, we ate at the Stamp Lady Gang, and it's good comfort food. It was really good. I enjoyed it. And then this is New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. I did the countdown, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then Happy New Year. And this was the first time in a good couple years that we were able to get all of them into one location. And then that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this little bit of a flip through. I know some of the ladies and stuff that watch my channel, you guys wanted to see this. So I thought that I would show you what my December daily looked like, or December documented. It's so goodness. Look at all that chunkiness. And the 12 by 12 layout, or the book that I'm using, is from Close to My Heart. So I hope that you like this. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.